Hello viewers. Today, the youths all over the world are playing a very important role in shaping the economic condition of the nation. Youths are all-rounded. If the youths are all-rounded developed, then it affects the nature of every process which the nation undertakes or supervises. Today I will discuss here the topic how Indian youth can become role model for others, how they will become ideal for other countries' children, other countries' youth. Now, I want to throw light on this fact. Indians have been gifted with special and potent talent right from the beginning of civilization, which is the fact proved and it is known to the whole world as they analyze the Indian history. This has been possible only due to the restraining regulations and tenets of Indian culture. Discipline and commitment towards one's duty are the two special features of every Indian's character, which bounded by them to obey universal humanitarian religion. Due to this aspect, they have compassion and sympathy for the sufferings, grief and pitiful condition of each and every person of this universe. They were born and grown up with this sentiment of visualizing world as one family, which is called as in Sanskrit as Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. Due to liberal and open-mindedness, all closed doors of Indian youth's mind are wide open for every idea and imagination, and knew no boundaries to restrict the innovative intellect to any limitations. Thus, inventive Indian desire are going contagious, and they sparkle light in everyone's mind to which they touch. You must be knowing that Indian civilization is world's oldest civilization, and our youth's mind is going through ethical and philosophical process of evolution right from beginning of history of mankind on this planet Earth. Thus, the age of the sharpness of intellect and character which is seen in Indians is in science, art, commerce, architecture, likewise all streams, is rarely seen anywhere in the globe. Today, in robotic age, Indian youths will stand on top rank among all others in discoveries, inventions, exploration, or any artifaction. Never to be satisfied at average or common level, and always try to ascend, struggle for an extraordinary level has been the inspiring motto which is being imprinted on Indian minds, on Indians' mind. Never let them to rest, and kept them struggling and inspiring to achieve perfection at all levels of discourses. The feeling of unrest is unquenchable and will upgrade the mind of every Indian youth to fight, resist for excellence by outbusting all odds, difficulties, and try for the attainment of splendid and versatile success. Thank you.